How are you, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
Doing pretty well. Hey, you might as well have like your own room back
I
there.
know, right? I'll just move in.
You have bunk beds? Discomfort when I bring the legs up.
They're a little tight, but I just had like massage body work done, so I feel like they like got in there, so they're just tight. Not discomfort at all.
That sounds nice.
No, it's
Like
my quad. It's pretty painful, actually.
Really?
It's not relaxing at all.
Let's check these. Any discomfort as I press through here?
No, good.
And as I go up?
Actually, about the same.
Same throughout.
It's a little bit more tender at the top there, but not by much.
Okay. And that's where we're going to do extension. So let's adjust here first, then we're going to balance the hips. We'll work on the quads. Good. And lay on your left side.
This right there.
Yeah. There we go. This leg's coming up. Right in there. Other side. How's the knee doing?
Good, actually.
Good?
Good, yeah, yeah. Feels a little bit better, less. There's still a little bit of that, like, kind of like aura of mild discomfort around it, but it's not as painful.
Okay.
So I think it's heading in the right direction, definitely.
Keep going down that road.
Yeah.
Back onto your stomach. Okay, that's good there. So I'm just going to bring these up. We're going to do a nice stretch. That's okay when I do that? Just stretching, no pain?
Yeah, just a good stretch.
Loosen those up a little bit after you got beat up.
Yeah.
But it'll all help. That's okay here?
Yep.
Stretching, no pain?
Yes.
Good. Okay. That still looks good there. Those are still okay as I press through? How about as I get higher up?
Still good.
Still good. I like good.
Yeah.
Just a little tightness through there. Any discomfort when I press there?
Yeah, especially that left side even more than the right, but they're both a little tender.
Got it. So let's get some motion through here.
Okay.
Bring your head this way and a little push down through here, just like that. That's okay? Good. And one more below. Good. Same thing on this side. And one more below. More crunchy on that left side.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go on your back. And then 8 through 11, so we gotta go way downtown. Bend both knees up. Hands behind the neck. Good. Nice deep breath in. Let it all go. One more. Okay. Good. Not too rough?
No.
Okay.
That one usually feels really good.
Good.
Yeah.
I heard you were gifted your biceps from your grandmother.
Apparently so, yes. She still has them. She's 83 years old. So.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's funny. Discomfort when I press through those?
A little bit. Right side a little bit more than the left.
Inside more.
I feel like that right side of the neck's always a little bit tighter.
I'm going to check up above before we adjust there. How about when I press through here?
Only when you press like pretty firmly, but not a lot.
Okay. More so lower.
Yeah.
So we're going to get extension through here. One more. Do one on this side here. This one's more lateral flexion. So down through here. Good. How's that when I press through here?
A lot more smooth now. Less tension.
Okay. Should we adjust the knee again?
Yeah, if they did like what's it called? Like the iStim, like if they did work on it, is it okay to adjust it as well?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Was like a grass in it. Yeah.
Yep. That's okay when you bring the knee up?
Yep, no, that's fine.
Good. Felt that.
Good.
And is there any tenderness when I press in the back?
Yes, there is actually.
So,
I feel more of the tenderness in the back than I really do in the front.
in the front, yeah.
Yeah.
So let me have you sit all the way up and slide back so the knee is on this crack here. We're going to do the stretch too. Just a little bit more. That's good right there. Okay. This side's coming in. This one's going out. That's okay. Two more. Last one. Good. And then we'll get this side too. All right. There we are, sir.
Cool.
Ready to rock and roll.
Feel good?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You got it.